Hey crafty people, in this video we're going to be talking about an abbreviation FPtr, which stands for front post treble. A treble is a very tall stitch and it's often used with a cable work and lace work. In this example here, I've got this kind of cable-y, but also lacy looking swatch. So we've got quite a bit of white space and then texture happening. And it's a combination of chains, a double crochet, and front post treble. So how do you make a front post treble? Well, first off, you start with 2 yarn overs on your hook. In this pattern, I'm going to do a front post around this cross stitch here that's coming down. So I'm going to insert my hook between the stitch that comes before it from front to back, and then around it from back to front, and I end up with the post of that stitch on my hook. Yarn over and bring that loop up, and then you end up with a regular treble with 4 loops on your hook, and you complete it as normal. Yarn over through 2, yarn over through 2, yarn over through 2. In this pattern, I make a chain and double crochet into a previous stitch. So I'm going to complete that. And the next step, once again, is a front post treble. So let's do that again. Yarn over, around the post from front to back, then back to front, with the post ending up on your hook. Yarn over, bring that loop. We end up with 4 loops on our hook. Yarn over through 2, yarn over through 2, yarn over through 2. And that is how you make a front post treble.